In today's video, I'm going to be discussing how to find balance in your life, some simple tricks to help you out. Now, the key thing to remember here is balance in your life is completely subjective. So if you really enjoy work, you're going to inherently spend more time at work. If you value family the most, you're definitely going to want to spend more time with family and at home. Most of us are going to be able to split up our day into 3 different sections. You're going to spend a third sleeping, a third working, and a third doing whatever you want to do. Now, sleep is a necessity, but it got a little bit of wiggle room. Average is 8 hours, right? That's what they recommend you get, but you can get anywhere from 5 to 8 and be completely functional depending on your type. Most of us have 40-hour-a-week jobs, so you're looking at 8 hours a day plus, a little bit of extra time for travel to and from work as well as taking your lunch break. So that's kind of set in stone. You got to do that job. You got to pay the bills, right? Now, the other remaining 8 hours, you get to choose, whether it's entertainment, whether it's travel, whether it's spending time with family, relaxing, time for yourself. You decide what type of person you are, and you dedicate those 8 hours to yourself. The most important thing about finding balance in your life is to actually know how you feel. Do you feel unproductive? If you feel unproductive, you should either spend more time on work or doing side businesses. If you feel tired, you should either get more sleep, drink more coffee, or figure out if your diet is causing you to be exhausted all the time. Are you stressed? Maybe you should think about making some lists to actually break down what it is that you need to do and what it is exactly that you're stressed about. Track your progress. Stress is only worrying about the future. It's also known as anxiety. And one key thing to remember here is you have to make time for yourself. Whether it is spending time alone watching a movie or going to the gym, getting your blood flowing, going to a restaurant, treating yourself nice, you have to make sure that you're taken care of, that you're happy. And the last thing to help you find balance in your life is going to be weekends. Weekends are you and your family doing whatever you want to do. If you want to do your side business and hustle on the weekends, then do that. If you don't have like a significant other or children, absolutely put 100% of your time into that if you want to get like super duper successful in life. Or if you really want to enjoy the simple things in life, definitely take like little staycations, little like mini trips close by where you live, or like find a cheap flight, fly to California, do whatever, sit on the beach. This is going to be your time to unwind and reset. Or if you're kind of like me and you're a workaholic, you're going to take all of those weekends, and instead of taking them for yourself, you're going to save them all up. So you're going to work through the weekend. And then when the time comes and you've taken all that money that you've saved throughout your weekends and everything, then you're going to take an entire month off and cram all those weekends together. And it's going to be like a little mini retirement. No work, no phone, just enjoy, relax, jet ski, parasail, whatever you want to do. All-inclusive resort, mountain biking retreat, skiing. The sky's the limit. Condensing weekends is actually a really nice gift. It's like saving the best bite of your meal for last, or like the middle of a watermelon. You get that nice satisfaction at the end. Like I said, guys, balance is completely subjective. So you have to know yourself. You have to know if family is a priority for you. You're definitely going to spend more time with family, less time sleeping, and you're going to try to spend less time at work, but that's kind of a given. Definitely leave a comment down below. I'd love to know what is a priority for you, because for me, it's completely different than you or your next door neighbor or your best friend. So if you comment down below, let me know what's most valuable to you. I'd love to see your guys' perspective. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. I hope I was able to help you out a little bit. Please subscribe if you aren't already. Leave it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.